Now, I know a lot of people think, well, I have some drinks and it helps you fall asleep, and alcohol may help you fall asleep faster, but it definitely ruins the quality of your sleep, makes your sleep a lot worse. You don't sleep as deeply, you don't get as refreshed from it, you wake up more often at night when you have alcohol, you may not even realize it, and it worsens snoring. So if you snore a lot, and even if you don't, I would try to minimize alcohol and definitely minimize alcohol close to bedtime.